Hey, thanks for dropping in. Um, I just want to say thank you. I hit the 500 subscriber mark yesterday. It was raining. I wanted to come out and make this video at that point, but it was raining. Um, so anyway, I'm here now. Thank you so much. At 504, it doesn't seem like a lot. Maybe it's not a lot to some. It's a lot to me. I never thought that I'd have 500 people interested enough in what I was doing to subscribe to my channel, my little, my little unprofessional garden channel. I'm not a professional gardener. I'm not a master gardener. I'm a guy that loves to garden, and I really do love to garden. And I like sharing the videos. I like making the videos. That's fun too. It's become part of it. So just all this to say thank you. Thank you to everyone that is subscribed. Thank you to everyone that has liked and commented on a video, because that actually does, it helps. It helps with the channel. It helps get it out there. It helps with the algorithm. You've heard everybody say, and it's true. It really does. So thank you to everybody. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. And thank you so much for all the future subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I'm looking over, there's a huge truck going down the street. Anyway, enough of me. Thank you. But check this gladiola out. Look at that. Look at that blue sky. But look at this gladiola. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. These are the gladiola I think these are the bulbs that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. They were supposed to be all pink. They're not. And I'm cool with that, because I think these are absolutely beautiful. Anyway, back to the video. Much easier for me to talk about plants than it is for me to get on here and say thanks. But honestly, thank you. It's very heartfelt, and it's really, really an honest appreciation for all the subscribers and the comments and the likes, like I said. So thanks. And guess what? The road to 1,000 starts now. So please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting on my videos. Check them all out. I hope you find something you like. Thank you. Talk to you then. Bye.